Did you turn it on?
Yeah.
You didn't say action.
Action.
Okay. This is the pot I was telling you about with the moss in it. The tree wasn't growing straight like I wanted it to, so I tied a chopstick to it with bread ties. This is a little, if I had it in the house on a shelf, I'd tell you it was a dust collector. But right now, I'll just tell you it's a little doodad. I got it from a dollar store. And this is just another piece of the ficus tree that I started. I probably need to wire it to make it grow a little bit more rounded, I guess you would say. Have this one bend down a little bit, this one be a little straighter, maybe this one do like this, I don't know. I make this up as I go along. And I guess I could probably try to wire a little bit of it, kinda. If you watch videos about bonsais, everybody has a different way of wiring, everybody has a different way of shaping and all that, and I just do it the way I think it looks good. I don't believe there's a right way or a wrong way to do all of it, but I'm gonna wrap it around the chopstick, and then I'm just gonna kinda wrap this limb, and you kind of want to wrap it loosely. You're going to have to leave the wire on there for some time to get the limb to grow the way you want it to. And if you wrap it tight, you're going to have what's called wire scars, I believe is what they call them. But you'll be able to see the wire in your limb. And then just once you do that, just kind of fold the limb the way you want it to, but make sure you don't snap the limb. And then I'm just going to take this one and wrap around, well, I'm probably going to have to wrap it around the tree one more time. And just kind of do it like that. I may try to do it and just kind of do it like that, where the tree itself will start. Oh, I got the executive manager here. Hold on, I'll let you see him. This is the executive manager. He likes to sleep. He don't like to get out. All he does is lays in bed and sleeps all day. And as you see, he's probably got a worried look on his face. His name is Danny. He's a spoilt little boy. Both of my dogs are rescues. Anyone that's looking for a dog, I would tell you to do rescue. The last 4 dogs I've had have been rescues, and all of them were good dogs. They all minded good and all that, and we had a fun time with them. You will see I have cut all of the leaves to make them grow smaller. Here's a new one coming on, but I'm going to go ahead and snip it in half now to try to make it grow smaller. I will probably cut this whole limb off, or cut it back to about right in here, because this tree's bigger than what I want it to be. But I try to let it grow for so long. You want to just let it grow and do its thing, and then do the trimming and everything at a later date. I'm going to put another piece of wire on this tree. Not sure if my wire is going to be thick enough, but it's definitely long enough. Do it like that. A lot of times they tell you to take the wire and wrap the limb twice. I never have done that. I've always just wrapped the limb once. Once again, it's one of those things that everybody has their own way of doing. I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way. And then I'm just going to kind of shape the limb. And as you see, I'm really not doing a whole lot. I'm just kind of trying to wrap the wire around the limb. And as I do that, and if I see something, I try to wipe the leaves off. Then I'm just going to take the limb and bend it down like this and kind of up a little bit, because I'm hoping that when you look at the tree from this angle, it will look kind of like a natural grown tree with a nice pretty canopy on it. But actually it's going to be more like that. But this is kind of scraggledy, so I'm going to have to work on it a little bit.